Hello, back again on MOTO-CAR TV. This time MOTO-CAR TV will provide information about Ducati Streetfighter V4 SP. Introducing top-of-the-range Streetfighter V4 SP model, a further precious gem in the Streetfighter universe. Offered in a numbered version and marked with a legendary SP. The new Streetfighter V4 SP is the most adrenaline-pumping match to overall. It is well off the production line in Borgo Panigale. Aesthetically, the SP stands out from the pack thanks to its winter test livery, which centro style Ducati created by taking inspiration from the pack used during MotoGP and SP Cup pre-season testing. A premium equipment derived from the Superleggera V4. The new carbon rims, 1.4 kg lighter than those of the Streetfighter V4S, significantly reduce the moment of inertia and contribute to an overall weight saving of 3 kg. The 1103cc Desmo DC Stradale engine features a counter-rotating crankshaft, twin-pulse firing order, 208 HP of power, and 123 Nm of torque at 9,500 rpm. The STM Evo SP cartridge clutch ensure a more effective anti-hopping function, but also reproduce the characteristic sound that Ducati so appreciate. The comprehensive range of equipment is complete with Ohlin Smart AC 2.0 suspension and the Brembo Stylema braking system with front calipers. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.